Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you're behind the scenes. I'm actually at Toastal again. I came here twice, once on my birthday and once for a meal. So you may have seen this place before, but I'm doing behind the scenes right now. I'm setting up my gimbal to shoot some B-roll for a project that I want to do because I would need to restructure my portfolio also, but I also want to help this establishment. And I think it would be a cool project to show you guys what I can do with these two gimbals from Zhiyun as well. So with that said, everyone, right now I'm going to be using a polarizer when I'm indoors, and outdoors I'm going to be using either a 6-stop or D-stop and a CPL from Maven filters. So I am using Maven filters for this project. But I'm also going to be using maybe the Synco wireless, the Roll wireless, my iPhone, my Samsung device, and the Roll wireless Go as well in this project. So ladies and gentlemen, let me show you what this gimbal is doing, why I gave it a 3.5 star. Watch when I'm doing some work. I'm going to go into vortex mode. And I want you to see what I'm doing. And watch what it does. After I'm done recording video. Now watch what it does. When I get out of the mode, oh, it won't happen this time. But that was weird. Now watch what it, you see what it, see what this is doing? You see what it's doing? Look everyone, look. I'm not doing anything. Zhiyun, this is what I was talking about. The inconsistencies and the joystick. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm doing behind the scenes, and this is what happens with the Zhiyun Gimbals. Okay, once again, it just locked up, and now it's... This is why I want to say, Zhiyun, I am thankful and love you guys, but your mobile gimbals sometimes do not function the way I want it to function. This is why I like using your pro gimbals instead of your mobile gimbals sometimes. Now I want you guys to see that I'm using the Smooth 5S AI as a time-lapse gimbal. As you can see, it's doing a time-lapse for me. So it does work, but keep this in mind, it's a hit and miss while on the field. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm charging all this right now. Apparently I'm draining the battery out of this one pretty fast when I'm using the Rode wireless audio, and this has a built-in battery. I'm not sure what's going on, and I think I do know what's going on though. But yeah, the phone drains quite fast, I notice. So I'm gonna charge a lot of these components here. Luckily I brought the X-Cool 127 watt 2000 milliamp power bank, and the NU 27,000 milliamp 140 watt power bank. Yeah, I run that to charge all my stuff while we are here, and I just want you guys to get a good sense of this place, man. This is dope. This is dope. This is dope. But yeah. Look, Nicolas Cage signed that. But that skateboard who's the character? Isn't that the from Street Fighter? I forgot her name, but damn, that's a cool skateboard, man. I wouldn't want to skate that either. Alright guys, so let me show you a close-up their menu. This is behind the scenes. So this is their lunch special, tortillas, the sides, the salads, alright? And this is their burgers, right? And I think what is popular, I'm not quite sure, I'm gonna guess, is that cowgirl burger is more popular. Because I had that the first time, I think. Yeah. The sweet potatoes are pretty good, I'm hearing. And buffalo cauliflowers, yeah. Oh yeah, and they have chocolate chip cookies too. So I've been having problems with this joystick getting into my way when I'm doing a lot of time lapse, and it's just annoying. So behind the scenes, I got this iPhone 14 Pro doing a time lapse at this door, so I can get some footage of that. And I'll come back tomorrow and get some more footage. I just want you guys to see I'm 4 minutes into this. Then I got the gimbal, the Zhiyun Gimbals 2, set up to record customers as they come in and out. So, ladies and gentlemen, trying to do as much as I can to do a very special project. I think I want to make this a very creative project with the time lapses, with the B-roll and the vortex rolls, and yeah. Using that Maven filter 6-stop, just a 6-stop. Very nicely job. Did a very nice job in my live stream. So ladies and gentlemen, pick yourself up some Maven filters. I'll leave a link down in the description below. Go check it out.